Well, here we are, day 7, waiting. The Miguel went to Chetumal today to pick up all the parts, which is good because that saves us a day because they were going to be delivered tomorrow near the end of the day. So that buys us a day. But he arrived, around 4 p.m. And instead of going right to work on my car, he starts fiddling with his wife's car. But anyways, the parts are here, and hopefully tomorrow we can actually get the van running.
Miguel, where
Hopefully
are
by
you?
the end of the day.
Miguel, where are you? Well, I don't know. Are we going to see Miguel today? He went to Chetumal. He's got the parts. He showed me pictures of them in his car. He should be back soon.
Hola, Juan.
¿Todo bien?
Ahí estamos. Voy a cambiar un aceite. Va a viajar mi esposa, my wife.
Oh,
Voy a cambiar el aceite a su carro.
oh.
Ok. De que termine.
So after waiting around all day in the heat, being bored, Miguel finally shows up. And he starts working on his wife's car. But what do? What do you say? Just smile and hope he gets to yours soon, because he's the only mechanic in town.
Well, it looks like his wife's car is more important right now than us. But at least he's back with the parts.